क्या आपने कभी ऐसी जगह के बारे में सुना है जहां इतिहास आज भी मंदिरों की घंटियों में सुनाई देता है? एक ऐसा जिला जहां संस्कृति हर गली में बसती है और सादगी ही लोगों की पहचान है। दिल्ली के पास बसा बुलंदशहर एक ऐसा जगह जिसके बारे में बहुत लोग कम जानते हैं, लेकिन आज अगले कुछ मिनटों में हम जानेंगे इसकी पूरी कहानी। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। वेलकम टू बुलंदशहर, a district in Uttar Pradesh that may look quaint but holds powerful stories within. From its historical roots to its cultural richness, today we will talk about Bulandshahr for a few minutes. Let's get started. So stay with me till the end. Let's begin with history. Bulandshahr was year known as Baran, and it has a deep connection with an ancient Indian civilization. The region has seen the rule of Rajput, Mughals, and later the British Empire. It also played a role during India's First War of Independence in 1857. The bravery of local people made this land historical significant. And now, as we move from the past to the present, let's understand where exactly Bulandshahr is located. Bulandshahr is located in the western part of Uttar Pradesh, near the capital city Delhi. It lies on the bank of the Kali River, which supports agriculture in the region. The land here is fertile, making farming a major occupation. The climate is mostly hot in summer and cool in winter, typical of North India. Now that we understand the land, let's explore what people here love to eat. Food in Bulandshahr reflects the simplicity and richness of North Indian cuisine. People here enjoy traditional dishes like roti, dal, sabji, and rice in daily life. During festival and special occasion, sweet like jalebi, peda, and laddu are very popular. Street food also has its own charm, especially chaat and samosa. And food is not just about taste; it connects deeply with culture. So let's move to the culture side of Bulandshahr. Bulandshahr is rich in culture, values, and tradition. People celebrate festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, and Navratri with great enthusiasm. The culture here reflects unity in diversity, respected for elders, simplicity and lifestyle, and a strong family values are an important part of daily life. Local fairs and religions gathering also show the culture beauty of this region. Now, as you ever plan to visit, what can you exactly see? Let's explore tourism. Bulandshahr may not be a major tourist hub, but it has some peaceful and spiritual palaces worth visiting. The famous Ahar region is known for its historical importance. An ancient temple, Rajghat near the Ganga river, is a beautiful palace for peace and spirituality. There are also many local temples and small culture sites that give you a real experience of rural India. Tourism here is less crowded, which makes it perfect for those who love clam and authentic palace. And after exploring all this, let's wrap up our journey. So Bulandshahr is not just a district, it is a blend of history, culture, simplicity and tradition. From its historical roots to its peaceful lifestyle, it teaches us the beauty of simple living and strong values. If you want to explore more such palace and improve your English, at the same time make sure to support my channel and watch my full videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.